if there have no any internet connection in your desktop, that time this video will be really important for you, because in this video I will show you the trick by which now you can use your mobile phone data in your desktop, and by this data in your desktop you can now easily browse internet in your desktop or in your laptop, and you can also download it and it will be very faster for you. So what's that trick? To know about that, you need to watch this video from the first to the last. Hi, I'm Sajidz and you watching Sajidz Tech. Before starting, there are request, if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, here you can see that there have no internet connection is there. So here in this case I will use my mobile phone is here, and here we go, we are in our mobile phone, and here you can see that this is my mobile phone screen. So here we will now connect our mobile phone with our desktop, and here in this case we will use a USB port that is like a charger. And here in this charger nowadays you will get a USB port charger. So from here in one side you will get your mobile phone port, and another side you will get a USB port. So attach your mobile phone port in your mobile phone and attach your USB port with your desktop or laptop like this. And here guys, after that you can see that there have something like that. Now from here you need to select this no data transfer or no data transfer, whatever it is. So from here now we will start our these things. So from here, if your internet connection in your mobile phone is off, that time you need to make it on from here. So in this case it may be your mobile data or it may be from your Wi-Fi data. So let's do it with our mobile data. So here we are there in our mobile data is on from here. Now from here we need to go to in the settings in our mobile phone. So from here guys, we will go to in this about phone option or your my mobile option, whatever it is, in which option you will get all the mobile details, all of your mobile details. So from here, in this case of my MIUI, we will tap on this MIUI version to get this developer version. So here from we need to tap it for at least 5 to 7 times, and you will get this MIUI version on in this developer. And here in your mobile phone it may be in your Android version or it may be in your Android name. So after just enabling this developer option, you will get it there, or if you don't get it, that time here you need to search something like developer option in your search bar tool. So we will get this developer option on, and here from we need to make it on from here. So make it on, okay here, and after that here you need to go to the down to the below, and here you will get option called USB debugging, and from here you need to on this USB debugging in your mobile phone. So here from you need to now go to the here, and from here you need to search something like again the USB tethering, and here you will get this USB tethering there, and you need to on it, and from here you need to on this USB tethering in your mobile phone. And now guys, you can see that there have an internet connection in my mobile phone, and it's by my mobile phone data. So here from now you can browse your internet from here. I can go to in my YouTube, and I can also run YouTube videos too by this. So here by this trick now you can also use your mobile phone data in your desktop or laptop. It may be from your mobile data or it may be from your Wi-Fi data. So here it will be really usable for you. So here guys, this is the thing. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, by this video, if you get some advantages, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends, and guys, subscribe my channel to be with me. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.